How to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Sometimes, websites ask you to enable JavaScript because it's disabled in your browser. Without JavaScript, many interactive websites won't work properly. Here's how you can check and enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and go to the top right corner. Click the three dots to open the menu, then click on Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and click Privacy and Security. Then choose Site Settings under this section. Step 3. Scroll again until you find JavaScript under Content. Click on it. Step 4. Make sure the option that says sites can use JavaScript is turned on. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to activate JavaScript. Step 5. Now, go back to the site you were trying to access and refresh the page. Everything should work fine now. Step 6. If you want to allow or block JavaScript for specific websites, you can add their URLs in the customized options below the main switch. JavaScript is essential for animations, forms, chat systems, and more. So make sure it stays enabled unless you have a reason to block it.